Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can write into 7 to the power of 2 and multiply by 7. This one we can put like this. And that is about 49. This one simplified by this one. Next, we divide by n factorial on numerator and denominator. So when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. However, if we know that when n go to positive infinity, they create more factors than n to the power of 49. So this one you got 0. This one you got 0. And now we have the final answer in here. And that is about 1/7. This is the end. Thank you for watching.